Hola chicos y chicas, hoy voy a explicar los significados de to look en español. I'm going to explain the meaning of to look in Spanish. To look have very different meanings in Spanish. Also depends on the preposition that follows look. So let's get started with the three more common definitions, which is mirar, verse, and tener un aspecto. So mirar, for example, we use mirar in this context. When they say, ella mira a las personas, she looks at the people. O ellos miran por la ventana, they look through the window, right? Verse talks about someone's physical appearance. For example, nosotros nos vemos bien, we look well. María se ve cansada. María looks tired. And tener un aspecto is similar to verse, but we use it more with objects. For example, el carro tiene un aspecto elegante. The car has an elegant look. Las canchas tienen un aspecto descuidado. The courts have a careless look. So like I mentioned, in my version of Spanish, I will use more verse to talk about people, physical appearance of people, and tener un aspecto for the physical appearance of things or places. But this depends on the region, the country, the city, all right? In many occasions, both can be interchangeable. Let's see other examples. For example, to look for. To look for in Spanish is buscar. For example, estoy buscando las llaves. I'm looking for the keys. ¿Busca algo en particular? Are you looking for something in particular? So, buscar is to look for. But we don't need to add por or para, because this is a very common mistake. We usually, a lot of students usually say buscar por or buscar para. No need. Buscar is to look for. So in English, you have two words, which is look for, and in Spanish is just buscar. Now, look after. Look after is like cuidar, which you have also seen as to take care of. But look after is a synonym, all right? Take care of or cuidar can be translated as to look after and also to take care of. Let's see here. Nosotros cuidamos a nuestra hermana. We look after our sister. Yo cuido a los gatos de mi hermana los fines de semana. I look after my sister's cats on weekends. Another one is to look out for. To look out for means estar pendiente o vigilar. Estar pendiente and vigilar are synonyms. This is can also be described as to watch out. Estar pendiente del arroz. Look out for the rice. O vigila el arroz. Is the same. Está pendiente de cualquier actividad sospechosa. O vigila cualquier actividad sospechosa. This means look out for any suspicious activity. To look over. To look over is to examinar o revisar. Right? For example, necesito examinar o revisar este documento antes de entregarlo. I need to look over this document before I deliver it. El mecánico examina o revisa el carro en el taller. The mechanic looks over the car in the workshop. We also have to look like, which means parecerse a o parecer que. For example, ella se parece a su mamá. She looks like her mom. Parecerse a. She looks like her mom. Parece que está molesto. He looks like he's angry. Parece que está molesto. He looks angry, or he looks like he's angry. And with the verb to look, we also have idiomatic expressions such as echar un vistazo. Echar un vistazo is to take a look or have a look. Could also be. Espero verte pronto or espero saber de ti pronto. This translates to I look forward to seeing you soon, or I look forward to hearing from you soon. So this is a very common expression that we use when we finish a email. Hacerse la vista gorda is to look the other way. Es hacerse la vista gorda en español. Ver el lado positivo, to look on the bright side. To look on the bright side, ver el lado positivo. Menospreciar is to look down at something or someone. So the word is menospreciar. And ver qué pasa de verdad. This or investigar, to look under the hood. So as you can see, and in case you don't know, idiomatic expressions don't have a literal meaning, all right? These are phrases that have a different meaning when the words are together, very different meaning when the words are separate, all right? So this is what we call idiomatic expressions, and these are the ones that we use with the verb to look. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing to my videos. That really helps me to create more and better content. I invite you to join the Spanish Language Hub, which is absolutely free. Here, you will have access to several resources, including unedited videos, audiobooks, exercises, flashcards, and regular interaction with me. We will also have Q&A and conversation sessions live on Zoom twice a month. Again, all of this 100% free. I look forward to see you there. Adios.